just want to go home. That's okay.
Manchester City's top opportunity on the score sheet in a 3-1 win over West Ham. Liverpool put in a shocking first half, but righted the ship in a 3-1 win against Wolves.
The first half was really bad, but the second half was really good. So, do I want to see that every week? No, but today I take it.
Socceroo Garang Kuol is off and running in the Eredivisie, scoring his first goal for FC Volendam in a 3-1 loss to Fortuna Sittard.
It's a very good league, and I'm enjoying my